Hello everybody, today we're doing an Xbox Series X HDMI port replacement. Good thing we included deep cleaning because she is going to need it. Let me illuminate for you. Yeah, look at that. All right there, all right there, all right there. And you can't forget the fan. So I forgot that I'd mentioned that an issue with the disk drive and you could hear something in there, but I didn't know what it was. And it's a great big old washer. Great big old washer. Man, it's a good thing we include deep cleanings and thermal compound replacements when we do the HDMI replacements. Alright, we got the port off, so we need to clear out these post holes. And then we'll be able to go ahead and get the new port on. And of course everyone's trying to pull that. Alright, hopefully no more interruptions. I was thinking about buying a desoldering iron. Might be a worthwhile investment because sometimes, right, like stuff like this, it kind of gets aggravating. It's pretty aggravating. While we're waiting on that, we are seeking damaged units. We want you to send us a unit that either you worked on and it turned into DIY destroy it yourself, or one that you chose the wrong shop and they caused damage or weren't able to fix it. And if we are able to fix it, we'll offer you a discounted total. We could even provide like a quote beforehand before you mail it in or bring it in. And then if we're not able to fix it, there's no charge. If we are able to fix it, then you would pay that discounted price. So that's something we're definitely doing. We also have memberships available now if you guys want to show more love and support. And then we have insurance on the HDMI port replacements. We're also upgrading our expedited. So it's 100 extra for expedited, but now that includes not just same-day repair, but 1 year of insurance. That way, if it falls and breaks again, you're still covered. Because so many people are confused on the difference of insurance and warranty. That way, they'll get a little bit of both. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. That's something we're going to be unveiling soon here. And we will see how it goes. Alright, I already took a peek and luckily there's no torn past. Always a blessing. I will gladly accept it. We're going to need to remove and replace the SATA points as well as the SATA points for the 19 pins. Alright, so that's the final outcome on the posts. And that is the outcome on the pins. It never seems to do justice. Let's see if I can zoom in. No, it just gets crappy. Alright, time to bolt up and test. Alright, we are back in action. Another satisfied SBL Games client. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Membership's now available if you'd like to show more support. Be sure to hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any new videos.